There's a quiet storm brewing in the smartphone world, and it's not coming from Apple or Samsung this time. It's Google gearing up to flip the table with its next big move, the Pixel 11 series. And if the latest leaks are legit, Google's planning something that could completely change how the Pixel connects, performs, and even thinks. Hey everyone, welcome back. Sam here. If you love staying ahead of tech trends, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss what's coming next. Now, let's get into it because the Pixel 11 leaks are wild. Google's reportedly testing a brand new modem from MediaTek. Yes, MediaTek instead of Samsung's Exynos 5400i. That's a massive deal. This new M90 modem is no ordinary chip. It's capable of dual 5 dual-active connections, download speeds up to 12 Gbps, and AI-optimized performance that promises cooler operation and better battery efficiency. Translation? The Pixel 11 could finally ditch those occasional overheating issues that fans love to complain about and become one of the most stable Android flagships in years. But here's the part that really caught everyone off guard. If Google goes through with this switch, it'll mark the first time in years that the company walks away from Samsung's long-running partnership for modem tech. That's like ending a decade-long friendship to start fresh with someone completely new, risky, but potentially game-changing. And this move fits perfectly into Google's new approach with the Tensor G6 chip. Leaks say it's built on a 10 nanometers process, possibly using TSMC's N-to-node, which means it's smaller, faster, and way more efficient. Instead of chasing big benchmark scores, Google's focusing on making the experience feel faster, smoother animations, smarter multitasking, and instant photo rendering powered by on-device AI. Speaking of AI, this is where Google's really flexing. The Pixel 11's camera system is rumored to use an AI-assisted zoom engine that can push up to 100x hybrid zoom while keeping textures sharp, not the usual pixelated mush. There's even talk of ultra-low-light video recording down to around 5 lux, which is basically filming in near darkness and still getting usable footage. Combine that with Google's new generative AI editing tools inside Google Photos, where you can remove objects, change backgrounds, or even enhance entire videos, and suddenly your phone becomes a creative studio in your pocket. Now, I know every year we hear about AI upgrades, but this time, it's different. The leaks point to AI features that actually work in real time, directly on the device, without needing to upload to the cloud. That means instant smart replies, live video corrections, even predictive power saving, all processed right inside the 10 nanometers Tensor chip. And here's the twist. While other companies are rushing into foldables and flashy new shapes, Google's taking a more confident route, refining what works. Sources say the Pixel 11 lineup will stick with the same signature camera bar, thinner bezels, and a more polished design. Think less reinvention, more evolution. Google seems to have found its visual identity, something instantly recognizable, and they're sticking to it for the long haul. Under the hood, the rumored specs are impressive too. The standard Pixel 11 might feature a 6.3-inch old 120Hz display, a 50MP triple lens setup, and a 5,000 mAh battery with improved charging speeds. The Pro model, though, that's where the real action happens. A 6.4-inch LTPO display, up to 16 GB of RAM, and that mind-blowing 100x AI zoom with a new 6.4MP periscope lens. And if you're into massive displays, the Pixel 11 Pro XL could stretch to a 6.9-inch screen, 5,400 mAh battery, and satellite connectivity for emergency calls. And remember the rumored under-display IR camera from older Pixel leaks? It might finally make a comeback. Imagine secure face unlock with no visible notch, just seamless design. Now, when we zoom out and look at the bigger picture, pun intended, Google's not just building another Android flagship. They're building the foundation for something much bigger. A phone that doesn't just react to your commands, but actually understands them. With Gemini AI baked deeper into Android 17, the Pixel 11 could become your smartest digital assistant yet. From summarizing long texts to rewriting your emails on the fly. Price-wise, early leaks suggest it'll stay close to last year's range, around $799 for the base model and $999 for the Pro, which feels surprisingly fair if these upgrades pan out. And since the launch window is between August and October 2026, we've still got time for more juicy leaks to surface. But here's my favorite part. If the MediaTek modem rumor really holds true, the Pixel 11 could finally break free from Samsung's influence and step into a completely new chapter of independence. Faster speeds, better stability, longer battery, all powered by a smarter chip and even smarter AI ecosystem. So, what do you think? Is this the year Google finally nails the perfect Pixel, or are these leaks setting expectations too high again? Drop your thoughts below. I love reading what you guys think. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.